Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, I'm Ranjani. Today I'm extremely excited to talk to you about something that is one skincare rule that's gonna change the total skincare game. Yeah, it is something that is gonna help the hyperpigmentation and it's gonna heal the breakout. It is also gonna improve the texture and whatnot. It's gonna help you out with all skincare issues, and it is something that is suitable for all skin types. It might be a combination skin, dry skin, oily skin or sensitive skin, for every skin type. And the most important and exciting thing is you're not even gonna spend a single penny for this. It is the simplest tip ever, and it is called a 60-second face wash rule. It has been so hyped lately. It was there for like more than a year or something, but I haven't tried at all, and I just thought like why not try it and letting you guys all know and enjoy the whole benefit out of it. And it worked for me like a magic. So this video is about it. All the 60-second rule is washing your face 60 seconds with your fingers. Yeah, I know you might think like you gotta be kidding me. Yes, it is just washing your face with fingers for 60 seconds. Yeah, I can tell you more clearly. Yeah, an average person used to wash their face like for 15 to 20 seconds, not even 20 seconds. That's honestly not enough time for your cleansers to work. Yeah, we all have a cleansers with the fancy ingredients, and what we do is we usually take a very little amount of time to cleanse our face. The cleanser is the only product that's not going to stay on our skin. So this 60-second rule is we're going to give enough time for our cleansers to work on our skin and do the magic. It's simply just we're going to lengthen our cleansing time from 15 seconds, 20 seconds to 60 seconds. So massaging the cleansers onto your skin helps to clear out the impurities within the pores, and it helps to improve your complexion. So it's gonna give that ingredients to work on our face, where it helps to clear the pores, clear the bacteria, take off all those grits and grime on our face, and helps to improve our texture, helps to clear out the acne. And it can also be used with any type of cleanser you prefer. All you have to do is own a cleanser that is your preferred cleanser. It can be any type of cleanser. It can be oil, it can be cream, it can be gel, it can be foam, anything works for this. All you need is just your fingers and your cleanser. This is especially true with the oil cleansers, but it also works with any cleansers. But massaging the cleansing oil onto the skin helps to draw out all the impurities, because oil attracts oil, and the warmth from your fingers gonna improve the circulation, and you're gonna experience the difference within a week or so. So it is not something like you can only do within 60 seconds. If you have enough time, you can also do 5-minute cleansing, 10 minutes cleansing or 20 minutes cleansing, but in a daily routine it's not gonna work out. I know a girl has a life, so we had to move on to a work or we have to get to the bed, so it is not possible to do 5 or 10 minutes cleansing every day. So the more doable duration is 60 seconds, I guess. So everybody has a 60 seconds. Come on, we can do it, right? Just a 60 seconds. So all we need to do is cleanse our face twice a day. That is in the morning and in the evening, or before you get to your bed. So we're going to do it twice a day, and we're going to use our fingers to cleanse our face. And moreover, giving a 60 seconds to cleanse your skin gives you more time to focus on your skin. That is, you can go over your nose, around your nose, go around your chin area and over the hairline. So normally we don't focus while cleansing our face. We used to just take a cleanser, rub on our face, and we splash with water and we move on. So when we give 60 seconds of time, we automatically focus on our skin, and especially we focus on a problematic area. That is, if you have a breakout, if you have a acne, what we tend to do is we automatically start to massage over the problematic area. Now a big concern with the 60-second rule is if you have a dry skin, you might feel like you are over cleansing your skin and you might rip off the skin. But the thing is, you have to clean your skin, and it has to be 60 seconds or more. If you feel so, please do change your cleanser. Go find some gentle cleanser. That is all you have to do, not reducing the cleansing time. And one more thing is, After cleansing your face, make sure to apply a moisturizer. So how to keep track of the 60 seconds? It's not easy to count while you cleanse your face. So of course you're gonna get distracted. So the best thing to do is, what I usually do is, we all have a mobile. Yeah, we all have a phone handy. So you just start the timer, set to 60 seconds and start working on your face and you're gonna see the magic. Alright, I'll come into our main section. So what we're gonna do here is, I'll show you how I'm gonna wash my face. I'm just taking my face wash. You can take your own preferred face wash. So I've taken Gentle Bubble Glam Glow face wash and I'm gonna squeeze a little amount on my fingers. Don't lather up in between your fingers. Just take the face wash and go straight to your face and just press and start lathering it up. Meanwhile, make sure to switch on your timer. This is how we're gonna do. So just go around your face in a circular motion. Focus more on the problematic area. And I had a breakout over here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go over the area where I got a little breakout and I'll show you. It's gonna help clear. Finally, go around your eyes. So as you can see, we're not doing it vigorously, just do it very gently. Cool, we're done. Now I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll come back. Cool, you can see my face is now squeaky clean and I feel so fresh. Whatever it might be, blackheads, whiteheads, whatever it might be, it's gonna clear up. Believe me, it's gonna clear up. Just do it twice a day. So some of you might experience purging. That is pretty much your skin is getting rid of the impurities that is underneath your skin. So it's gonna get rid out of it. It stays there for like maybe a week or so, and after that you're gonna get the clear, smooth, glowing skin. Now it's not about the cleansers you use or the ingredients that is in the cleanser, but it is more about the technique. So every skincare has its own technique. If we do according to it, we're gonna achieve the result. I'm so sure. I haven't insisted any video like this, so I'm so sure everybody is gonna write back to me telling it changed my skin forever and I can see a glowing skin. So out of all, it is a disclaimer. So what works for me not necessarily has to work for you, but it's just a technique. I feel like it's gonna change many of our lives and many of our skincare issues. So please do follow all these and you're gonna see the results. If you see the results, please do share with me. Whatever I'm doing here is not coming just like that. I do my own research. I do try on my own skin and I do try it with my own product that I buy from my own money. So it has a value and it's not something just like that. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you did enjoy, please do like this video and share with your friends. I know many of our friends are suffering from this acne and many skin issues. Please do share with them. It changed many of our lives. So please do share with them. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.